This is the first restaurant in Orange County to offer dining in. And depending upon where you sit at your own dinner table, the move here is certainly providing food for thought as Americans chew over coronavirus fatigue. The Orange County Sheriff's Department stopped by Nomads Canteen in San Clemente, where dining in began on Friday. Inside, social distancing has been a work in progress, and the patio is pretty much laissez-faire. All of it violations of state government orders. The deputies left after a quick chat with owner Jeff Gorley.
I truly don't believe I'm putting anybody at risk.
Gorley says he was afraid of the spread of the coronavirus when the government mandates against dining in first went into effect. But he points to the numbers seen on this chart from Orange County officials, showing coronavirus cases are much lower than LA or Riverside counties, and OC recorded no deaths this Sunday.
I'd rather have my business, my house, have some money in the bank.
But a recent California Healthcare Foundation Ipsos poll found 75% of Californians favor the government mandates for as long as needed. And the governor says we're not out of the woods yet.
Don't think this virus has disappeared.
The OC Healthcare Agency visited Nomads Canteen on Friday. It says our environmental health division was able to reach the owner, who understood that he is operating in violation of the governor's order. A written warning will be issued, which could lead to permit suspension.
To see the lines and the packed parking lots at Costco and Walmart, but the small businessman cannot open, it absolutely makes no sense.
Gorley plans to close his doors tomorrow to wait to hear from the governor about new guidelines for businesses before making his next move. In San Clemente, Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.